What would happen if you ate one avocado every day? Could it improve your heart health? Help your brain work better? Or add too many calories to your diet? Let's take a closer look at what actually happens inside your body when avocados become part of your daily routine. Avocados are often called a superfood, and for good reason. Unlike most fruits, avocados are rich in healthy fats instead of sugar. They also contain important nutrients like fiber, potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, folate, antioxidants. Because of this powerful nutrient combination, eating one avocado a day can influence several systems in your body. One of the biggest advantages of avocados is their effect on heart health. They contain monounsaturated fats, the same healthy fats found in olive oil. These fats may help lower bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, support healthy blood vessels. Over time, this can help keep your arteries healthier and support better circulation. Avocados are also high in dietary fiber. One avocado contains around 10 grams of fiber, which helps your digestive system work more smoothly. Fiber helps move food through your intestines and supports healthy gut bacteria. This means eating avocados regularly may help reduce digestive problems like constipation and support overall gut health. Your brain needs healthy fats to function properly. Avocados provide fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that help support brain health and protect brain cells from damage. Healthy fats can also improve blood flow to the brain, which may support better focus and cognitive function. Another benefit of avocados is that they help you feel full longer. The combination of fiber and healthy fats slows digestion. Because of this, people who eat avocados often feel more satisfied after meals and may snack less throughout the day. Even though avocados are very healthy, they are also high in calories. One avocado can contain around 250 calories. If you eat them in addition to your normal meals without adjusting your diet, the extra calories could eventually lead to weight gain. That's why moderation is important. Eating one avocado a day can support heart health, digestion, brain function, and overall nutrition. But like most foods, the key is balance. When avocados replace less healthy foods in your diet, they can be a powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. So the next time you enjoy an avocado, remember, this simple fruit is packed with nutrients that can support your body in many ways. And sometimes, small daily habits can make a big difference over time.